Listing products in the right category increases visibility and ensures that your products appear in relevant search results. However, if your item is listed in the wrong category, it has a negative impact on your overall performance, such as your products not being shown properly on the SERP, which ultimately affects your sales and marketing strategy. This happened with one of our products, which is listed in the wrong category, and for this reason we are not getting the desired impression, traffic and sales. Now the question is how to solve it. This is what we are going to show you today. This is Khalid from the Ecomclips team. So let's get started. This is one of our items, grommet hole cutter, which is listed in the following category: tools and home improvement, power and hand tools, power tool parts and accessories, power drill parts and accessories, hole saws and accessories, hole saws. Our product is high quality and well optimized with SEO, and we have a brand history, A+ page, etc. But we are not getting expected sales. Here you can see we do not get any sales in last 30 days. So we tried to find out the reason and noticed that our item was listed in the wrong category. But how do we find out this? Actually, we did competitor research and checked a few important things like SEO, sales, BSR rank, browse node, etc. Based on our research, we have determined that the issue is in the category. Here you can see this is one of the best competitors for our items. Have a look at this item. This item has only one image and is not well optimized. Like the title and bullet points do not follow the Amazon optimizations guideline, but getting a good number of sales per month. If we look at the category, we can see that this item is listed in this category: tools and home improvement, power and hand tools, punches, hole punches. Not only this item, most of our competitors listed their items in this category. However, we want to change the current category of our items. Our product has 5 different variations under the parent. So we will change the category for all of them from the Amazon brand registry. Now we are on the brand registry page. From the support, we need to click on contact brand support from the drop down. From that page, we will go to the listing issues from the list and click on the change a product category option. Actually, this is a very common ticket. Now it's asking for the ASIN. So we are providing the ASIN for which we want to change the category browse node and then continue. Now we need to select the category that we want to list. We are selecting tools and home improvement, power and hand tools, punches, hole punches. Now it's showing the category that we have selected. To move forward, we need to click on next. Now it's asking for the final confirmation. Like, would you like to continue the browse node change request? As we are doing this to change the categories, so we are clicking on the yes button. After that, a ticket or case is created for the ASIN and shows the case ID. But sometimes Amazon shows a message when you search with an ASIN, like we have reviewed your suggestions and are unable to accept the suggested category browse node change to the ASIN. For that scenario, click on the technical issue from the list, select the language, give a short description and describe the issue in details. If needed, please attach documents or images. And then we need to click on the send button to file a ticket. So this is how you can change the category from the Amazon brand registry by creating a ticket. However, it is important to remember that Amazon is not your friend. Amazon's mission statement is to help customers. The sellers are not Amazon's customer, and our mission statement is to help sellers. We want to be the most seller-centric company in the world to help Amazon sellers do better on Amazon, which is why we gave out all of our content for free. If you want to hire us to help you, you can book a same-day free appointment with us. We are an e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Till now, we have launched and have been managing more than thousands of Amazon choices and bestseller rank products. Moreover, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts who are helping business all over the world. We would love to help and work for you as well. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.